Hi everybody, welcome to IndigoBlu, where the magic happens, especially here because this is where we make all the rubber stamps. So how do we do it? How does it all happen? So every design that we have has a board that we press the rubber into. This is one of the new steampunk designs, so you can see the board there. And that's what the rubber goes into. So what we do is we apply the rubber, red rubber, and you can see it's chopped here, so we've got a pile of rubber that's the same size as the board. When it's slightly too small, we might have to add little bits on the side, which is what I've done there. And then we put it into the machine. So get various bits so that it doesn't stick inside the machine, and then we will put it in there, and then we pump that up to pressure. Set the timer going, so that will be in there cooking for about 5 minutes. When it comes out, here's what I prepared earlier. So this is what the rubber will look like when it comes out of the machine. And then what we do is we apply the easy mount, cling mount on the back, so that you can then use it on your acrylic block. And then what we do, once we've got it like this, is we cut it out on here. So it's cut out by hand and ends up like this with the cling mount on and your laminate. So it sticks on the laminate there, so you can store it like that. And then that's how you will receive it, and it's all ready to go. Okay, good to see you. See you again soon.